Hello Blue Group. I am going to show you how to share using the part whole model. Okay, we just need to check that we've just got Blue Group though. Okay, so have a look at your home learning pack, have a look at the front, and if all the writing is blue, then you're in the right video. If it's red, you need to go watch the other video that says Red Group. Okay, so I want you to open your packs and find your part whole models, and they'll have some cauliflowers on them. So I'll give you just a few seconds to do that now. Open your pack, or if it's not in the same room, pause the video and go find it. Have you found them? Well done. I'm going to talk through how to do this at home so we all know what we are doing. The first thing it's asking us to do is count the cauliflowers. So we're going to count them together. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's all we need to do there. We don't need to do anything else. If you want to, you could write number 10. So I might write number 10. So I need 1 and a 0. Just so I know that there's 10. But you don't have to, that's your choice. And then on the next page, it's asking us to count how many cauliflowers are in each part. Okay, so let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this part. 5 and 5. Ooh, they have the same number. I'm going to write it again just because I want to know how many are in. Make sure I remember. 5 and 5. And here I have wrote the number 10 just to remind us that there were 10 cauliflowers. So that's all you need to do on these 2 pages. We're counting the cauliflowers in the hole here, counting the cauliflowers in the parts there. Okay, so that's just showing us what we need to do. The next page, so if you turn over in your learning pack, it's your turn. Okay, you're going to do it. So I'm going to take these off. And I'm going to put the next page in your learning pack up so you can see. And yours will be empty, okay? So it won't have counters in like mine. I put counters in just to show you what we're going to do. So what I want you to do, I want you to pause the video and go find your 10 cubes or buttons or any other objects that you have at home. Just make sure they're small enough to fit in the hole, okay? So pause the video and go get 10 things. Did you get them? Well done. I put some blue tack on my 10 things just so they stick on the board. But when you do this at home, I want you to do it on the floor or a table and make sure it's flat. So when you put them into the hole, you count them. Mine have got blue tack on so they don't fall off. Are we ready? As I count mine, see if you can move yours into the hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Have you put your 10 objects in the hole? Well done, super. Right, so now it's asking us to see how many different ways we can share our 10. So we'll do one together now, and then you can do lots of ways at home. So I'm going to move them. You can watch me move mine, or you can move yours. Put another one up there. And remember, it doesn't matter how you share them, as long as the hole is empty. Okay, I know I've shared them correctly because that's empty. Now I'm going to count them. So I'm going to count this part first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this time, I'm not going to write the number here. I'm going to write it underneath. So you can use a piece of paper or you can use your whiteboard and your pen. So we've got 6 here, so I'm going to write 6. So I remember that I put 6 in here. Okay. Now I'm going to count how many are in this part. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to leave a space. I'm going to put 4 here. I've left a space because the last question, Blue Group, that you need to do is write a number sentence. Oh, so I need to write a sentence, but using numbers. Let's do it together. So I've got 6 in here, so I've wrote my number 6, and I'm going to put this sign. This is add, okay? This is add. And I've got 4 here, so I've wrote the number 4. So 6 add 4, and then this sign means equals. It means how many when you put them all together, okay? So let's check and see. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. You might be able to write the number 10 without adding them together. If you remembered from your other sheet that we had 10, okay? So 6 add 4 equals 10. This is the bit, Blue Group, that I really want you to do, okay? Because I know you're really good at sharing, but we want to get really good at writing our maths down now and our working out, okay? So when you've done that, you're going to move them back to the hole, like this. Move them all back, whatever you are using. You could ask your grown-up to take a video of you sharing, just like this video, so I can see how you shared yours. Right, so now I'm going to do it one more way, and then I want you to do all the other ways. Okay, so let me have a think. I can't put 6 in here because I put 6 last time. So, oh, I think I might put 3 this time, I think. And I can't put 4 in there because then that will mean the hole isn't empty. So I've got to put all the rest in here. Oh, right, ready? So 1, 2, 3 in this part. So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to write my number 3, and then I'm going to do my add. Let's see how many are in this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's write our 7. 3, add 7. And I know that I had 10 here. So I know that that's 10. But if you don't know, that's fine. You can just count them and see how many are together. 3 add 7 equals 10. Well done. So at home, I want you to see how many different ways you can share 10, and I want to see some lovely number sentences, okay? Your grown-ups can email us your sharing and your number sentences, or you can return your pack and you can write your number sentences. You could, if you wanted to, write them in here, but that might be a bit tricky because then you'll be covering them up, okay? But we need to see those beautiful number sentences. Okay, Blue Group, have fun at sharing 10. Bye-bye.